Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a dancing animal animation using just one photo, and the best part is we will do it easily with an AI tool called Pixverse. No need for complicated editing or animation skill. So let's jump right in. First, just open your Pixverse. You can use it directly on the web or just open it through the mobile app like this. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the Play Store. And then next, just log in using your Google account. And then here's a nice bonus. Pixverse will give you free daily credit so you can generate a few animations every day without paying anything. Next, once you're inside, just go to template sections. This one, just tap on it. And then in the search bar, this one, just tap on it. And then just search for subject 3. This one, just tap on it, subject 3 fever. Like this. This filter or this effect is the trending template that turns your photo into a fun dancing character animations like this. It's so cute and funny. Next, just tap on use template and then just choose your photo that you want to transform into an animations like this. And in here you can use a photo of your pet or even your another favorite animal. Just make sure the subject is clear and centered. And once the photo is uploaded, just tap on create. It will need 30 credits. Next, just tap on it and then go back and then go to mine and then wait for the process. Okay, like this, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this, in just a few moments, Pixverse will work its magic. Your still photo is now turned into a dancing animations like this. It's so funny and but it's smooth and super cute. It's so cool, right? And okay, from just one picture, you have got a full animation that looks like it was made by a pro, and even it realistic. Now if you love it, you can download it and then just share it to your social media. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.